So there's something we call the chef's course.
Okay.
A course, where you prepare all this food and then you cannot eat. Maybe because you're kind of satisfied, you're already satisfied from all the aroma, in the process of cooking, and then you find that you're just full. So for us chefs, our satisfaction is really in, that hospitality, having people enjoy the food that you've prepared. That's what gives us the satisfaction. And so you find that maybe a chef has made this 3-course meal and then he goes to drink gari. He can't eat. Yeah, that happens a lot.
That's